Essential tips for camera maintenance. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into an important topic for all photography enthusiasts and professionals alike: camera maintenance. Keeping your camera in top shape is crucial for capturing those perfect moments without any hitches. So, whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, these tips will ensure your gear remains in excellent condition for years to come. Camera maintenance involves regular cleaning and care routines to prevent damage and ensure your equipment functions correctly. It's not just about cleaning the lens, but also about taking care of the body, sensor, and all moving parts. Proper maintenance can extend the life of your camera, improve image quality, and save you from costly repairs. The lens is one of the most crucial parts of your camera. A clean lens ensures clear, sharp images. Here's how to maintain it. Use a lens brush to gently remove dust particles. Apply lens cleaning solution to a microfiber cloth, not directly on the lens, to avoid liquid damage. Wipe in a circular motion gently to remove smudges or fingerprints. Dust on the sensor can lead to spots appearing in your photos. Sensor cleaning should be done cautiously. Use a blower to remove dust without touching the sensor. For stubborn dirt, a sensor cleaning kit may be necessary. Consider professional help if you're unsure. The camera body and accessories also require attention. Keep the body clean by wiping it with a soft, dry cloth. Check battery contacts and clean them with a dry cloth to ensure good connection. Store your camera in a dry, cool place to avoid moisture and dust accumulation. Just like any other piece of technology, cameras benefit from regular professional checkups. This can help catch any potential issues early and keep your camera running smoothly. Thank you for watching. Remember, regular camera maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity and performance of your photography equipment. By following these simple tips, you'll keep your camera in pristine condition and ready for whatever shot comes next. Happy shooting!